How to know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can know if someone has unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. Now the process is actually quite simple. If you open up Snapchat here and head into chat settings here, you'll be able to see all your chats. Now if someone has unadded or deleted you, now if you have maintained streak, your streak will be over. And the other way is at the right hand side of every chat you'll find the chat icon there. However, if someone has deleted you, now I'll just scroll all the way down below here to my deleted friends chat here. Now here you can see if someone has unadded you or deleted you on Snapchat, you'll find the cross icon instead of the camera icon or the chat icon. You can see the cross icon. If you head into their profile, you will see a little friend icon there. If you tap on the profile, however, you can see you'll be friends with them, but their streak or their profile details won't show up. Then it means that they have deleted you. However, the main thing here is the cross icon. If there is a cross icon on the chat instead of the chat or the camera icon there, it means that they have unadded you or deleted you. Now the other way is if someone has blocked you, you can search for their username from the search bar, and if they have blocked you, you won't be able to look at their profile at all. So this is the way you can know if someone has unadded or deleted you on Snapchat, or if someone has blocked you on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.